let's get to the rest of the lifts. Well, including Expo Hotel. I think. Expo Hotel. Yes, we can. It's just 11th floor hotel, and I want to fill that. Now, let's get down.
Le dices, no le pones problemas. ¿Más de 4 tickets por más? Sí, ¿no? Te sale la camisa 40
Vaya, la hemos dado. No.
We didn't press the floor.
Bajamos, sí. Venga, pasa. Hasta que llegue otro.
Emma. No vayas por allá, que si no se cierra.
Epic fail.
No.
Here are the first floor. Oh no, we can't get out. Look at the lift is about to be modernized. I think this lift is almost done with the modernization. The other two. There's just other service and fire service. Lol. Fire service. Just and look like there's fire service button on the list of 4 in the theater, which is made by the YouTube guy YT, which is one of my friends on the blogs. Rest of the lifts. What's he to say at your mode? Rest of the elevators. I think more suits. Let's just get to the rest of the lift. We'll just get to the rest of the list for God's sake. And this looks like the end of a shopping centre. So, the way to this correct car park route. I think this is this way. So anyways, stupid lunatic is just another stupid childless place. Hey, well, sorry for raging in all caps, guys. I was just mad about that childish place. Sorry for raging in all caps. Now back to the video. What I was saying about is that we are going to now ride the physical car. But my dad is now talking on the phone. To one of his friends. Gosh darn it. Anyways, to the car park with. I just wanted to ride as well. They live in Expo Hotel. These lifts look nice, but I didn't manage to ride them because my dad won't let me, and we can't get in. Anyways, and now to the next lift, to the car park lifts. This lift goes from car park 2, car park 1, ground floor, basement, and now in the basement car park. Let's just wait for the gosh down. For God's sake! Just more little kids. We are that. Screw off. That's the right to live with a lot of little kids. I don't understand why. Well, most of the little kids riding these lifts. We have somewhere closer to each escalator. Hey, get back to the... Whatever, look at it. Just use the escalators. We don't want to wait so long for the ghost down lift to come. The lift is keep going down. It arrived. I think they will ride these ghost down lifts of the lift on the left or right of the basement car park. Also, I think we will wait for these ghost down for one of these ghost down lifts to come. The banner looks just like the lift. This one is going up. Not too much hydraulic. Classic ThyssenKrupp leveling. It's just car park. Oops! I got the wrong floor. We were just going down to the basement. God damn it! I just got the wrong floor. We were just going down to -1. Gosh darn it! I got the wrong floor. Good idea that we have the escalators. Good, really nice idea. What to do that we have the escalators I know now. So now needs to release in the fourth court. Good thing that we have the escalators because the fourth court is in this floor. Until we get down to the basement. Down the basement. We are not coming to the fourth court. Let's carry on. No, fourth court. So we are not carrying on the fourth court, but now we are going to stop at more gosh darn shops. Until we are at the shop, but this just only for the backpacks and suitcases. So now we are stopping here for something that is none of my business. But I am almost to go to high school. The 6th grade year of school is gonna end. So I will look forward to these backpacks for high school. Just not so much to look at the pink ones because they're just only for girls. But the suitcase. I'm coming further. Anyways, let's carry on. And there's a restaurant. Those were the prettiest ones. Oh man, let's get back to the suitcase shop. Okay, the suitcase shop is named Motorbosch. I think that is an upper floor for the staff only. What are you looking for with these suitcases?
London?
Oh, what about this? Whatever this green one? Well, let me take this one. Well, this one costs $100, and this one, don't know the price, but this one costs $100. Let me just. Dad, what do you think of this green one?
Déjalo ahí.
What do you think of this one? So now let's continue on the rest of the lifts and get to the lifts in the foot court. So I don't want to rent. So I don't want to. Why? But my video is not cringe. Lots of people reading my video. Oh, just have a go to the floor. So I go to the gosh down floor. For God's sake. I just go to the gosh down floor. For God's sake. And there is a CI shop with some really nice station escalators like the ones in the shopping center. But there's an upper floor, but you have to go in the escalator because it doesn't have any lifts. But what is the goo doing? The name is CI. This is the place where the contest was, and there was I'm really looking for the CI shop. And you will now come to the food court. Sorry for spinning. Smells good. Smells here like food. Smells kind of gross. So now onto the food court. These are all our hydraulic. And now into the lift to the basement car park, which is still toothless and crap hydraulics. But the floor looks like it. Going down. Said just a gosh darn slow lift. Basement. Going up. Is very much. This lift is so gosh darn slow. -1. Going down. And now to the lifts to the car parks 1 and 2. Going up. This is a goes down hydraulic lift. It is still going up. This is another goes down hydraulic. Second floor. Another classic physical uploading. Going down. It goes so fast. 3,000 kilos, 40 pesos. It's a long lift and it doesn't have any mirror. Level -1.
Ahora mismo.
Going up?
Ya me estáis amargando la tarde.
anyways, just the video is a long time. Just let's get through before I skip to part 4. Okay, no decision, you didn't let me choose, let's skip to part 4.